So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you something a little bit different. Now, I don't know if you know, guys, but on your Mini 3 Pro, which is an amazing little drone, there's a mode on there called the D-Cinelike mode. And what that means is it flattens the colour. So it's going to look a little bit grey, really. But anyway, I want to show you, do you really need to use it? I'm going to show you in normal mode, what I class as auto, that you get some brilliant shots in auto. But you can do it in this D-Cinelike mode. Admittedly, if you're a proper professional photographer or a videoer, yeah, you'd probably be using this all the time. But for those like me that don't particularly use all that stuff, I just like flying my drone in auto. Yes, you got ND filters as well. But today I'm going to be showing you how to use the D-Cinelike mode, get that right. And just in normal mode, and then what I'll do a flight around in the D-Cinelike mode first, and then the normal mode. Then I will compare them both together, and at the end I will try to boost up the colours a bit to see, does it make any difference? Anyway, now usually I say got to get that drone up in the air. Now you don't have to, but I'm going to do that. I'm going to get the drone up in the air. I will then take you through the procedure, what you got to do on the screen. Put it in that mode, and then while it does its first circuit, I'll change it back to auto. You can see what's going on. So, should we get on with it? Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, is you get on the screen, the top right hand corner where the three dots are, you press on that. And where it says camera, you press on that. And if you notice where it says color, now at the moment it's on normal. If I press D-Cinelike, it's activated now, so it's in D-Cinelike mode. Now if you notice, it does look washed out. So I'm going to put on the record. And what we're going to do, we're just going to fly the drone around, and then we'll put it back to normal. And like I said before, we're compare it. Now at the moment the sun's behind the drone. Looks like I've just upset all the rooks now. I don't know if you can hear them. Oh yes, they're in flight at the moment. Thankfully they've gone that way. Okay, I'll just bring that drone around a minute, because I know there's a chimney around there somewhere. And I mean, looking at the screen, you got that nice red pool down there, which is good. Just bring it back towards me. Okay. So I'm going to stop it there. I'm going to turn the video off a minute. I'm going to turn the drone around. And what I'm going to do now is put it back into normal mode. Like I said, at the moment, the sun is sort of just behind the drone. Okay, so what we do, the three dots, top right hand corner, where it says colour, because it's already on camera, we just press it onto normal. Okay, we come back out, we put the video back on, we're going to send the drone around. Okay. Now obviously it's going to be on a slightly different route anyway. Now I'm going to be honest, guys, I always film my footage in auto, or as they say, normal. It's very rarely that I mess about putting filters on, or to be honest, it's the first time I've ever actually used this mode, and it's going to be my last time. Okay, I'm just going to bring it around so you can see that red, that amazing red pool there. Right, I'm going to stop it there. Okay. So here's the video that I've done in the D-Cinelike mode. And what I've done, I've gone into my Final Cut Pro. Now, I didn't want to go out and buy any special software. So what I've done, I messed around with the contrast. And I think it looks okay. But to me, do I like this? I don't know. I'm not really into the cinematic sort of looks. But hey, I'll let you choose. If you prefer this in D-Cinelike mode, then that's fantastic. If you don't, then there's no problems. Anyway, enjoy. So I hope you found that interesting. Now, to be honest, guys, I won't know until I get back behind the computer what the D-Cinelike has turned out like. And all I know, it is a flat colour. And what I will try and do, I use Final Cut Pro as my editing software, and I don't want to show you guys how you do that because everybody uses different software, and I think it just gets a little bit overcomplicated. But what I'm trying to put across is, when you buy a new drone, do you really need to buy all this stuff that comes with it? I know I've got filters here, I've got wide angle, I've got things that make stars, but to be honest, guys, I never use them. People give them to me. I'm not giving them away, but people give them to me. I don't mind showing you how they work, but I personally, when I go out with my drone, when I'm out exploring, I just do it in auto. But it'd be interesting to see what your thoughts are on. Please add them below. If you go out all the time in D-Cinelike mode, it'd be interesting to know how you do it, and because it helps other people. But anyway, if you found it interesting, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. And as always, just enjoy flying your drone, guys. And I'll see you shortly on another drone video.